YouTube humans, welcome to our TrueScreet secret headquarters.
What are we doing tonight, Madeline?
We are having our first giveaway trivia, and
Right.
we're going to be giving away a GoPro
First place,
and t-shirt.
second place. And you're gonna try to guess this person, a man or woman? Man. And okay. What kind of racing did he do?
NHRA.
Okay. Okay, so let's start with first. What is his first accomplishment?
85 national event wins.
85 national event wins. That's pretty telling right there for people that would know who this guy is. He also won 5 championships in a row. 5 in a row. That's unbelievable. Just almost unprecedented. Okay, he was, what's this one?
Number one qualifier in every event in
A season.
a season.
So the entire season, 14 events, national events at that time, he was the number one qualifier for every single one. And also, what's this one?
9 consecutive races.
He won 9 consecutive races. What's this one?
Number one qualifier 23 times in a row.
So he was the number one qualifier almost 2 seasons in a row because there's 14 races in a season. So he was almost two complete seasons in a row, number one qualifier. And he also won 50 rounds of eliminations in a row. When you get one of those national event ones, what do you get? What kind of trophy?
A Wally.
Right. So he had 85 Wallies. And we got one last hint for this person. And the class that he raced in rhymes with
Mohawk.
Rhymes with Mohawk. That's your last clue. TrueScreet out. Okay, one more thing we forgot to say. You do have to be a member of TrueScreet on the YouTube, on the interwebs. And
Make sure to hit subscribe.
yeah, hit subscribe. And if you do know who this person is, you need to go to the Facebook page and comment who the person is on the Facebook page. That's how you win. The first person gets a GoPro pack, and second place gets a TrueScreet shirt. So good luck, TrueScreet out.